Good morning, guys. It is currently Tuesday. It's 9:47. So yesterday, I feel like in my vlogs I always skip Monday, and Monday's just because, sorry, there's so many loud birds outside today. So yeah, I always skip Monday, and that's just like purely because Monday's like my get back into it day. Like I just have so much stuff to do after the weekend that, yeah, Monday's just kind of like a write-off. It's just like I don't even have time to do anything other than what I'm doing. So I didn't really have time to pick up the camera yesterday, and I was feeling a little bit down. I've been having really bad period pains, and actually this morning I went to go get an ultrasound. I got 3 ultrasounds actually this morning because they possibly think I could have endometriosis. So I'm currently getting all those kind of tests done, which was a bit scary. But I'm glad I'm kind of getting it all sorted now, and seeing what's wrong. But yeah, it's a bit of a down note to start the vlog. But yeah, it's Tuesday, so I've just went and had all my scans. I went to work this morning. I do have to pop back to work for about half an hour this afternoon, but that's not until around 2:30. So I have a bit of the day left. I've uploaded this vlog to YouTube, this last week's vlog. So I had 2 vlogs. I had last week and the week before. I just didn't even upload the week before because I was in a really weird mood, and I was talking about how I was in a rut. I still am kind of in this rut, and I think I'm going to make a whole entire separate video on it. But yeah, I've kind of just been in this weird, I don't know, I don't even know how to describe it, so that's why I'm like haven't made a video about it yet. But yeah, so I'm like missing a week's vlog. I've just uploaded last week. I just need to make a thumbnail. When it comes to vlogs, I don't really take like photos during the week, so I can never get a thumbnail. So I'm gonna have to start remembering to like take a nice photo of what I'm doing during the week so I can make a thumbnail. But yeah, now I'm just rambling, and you guys probably don't even want to hear this. But yeah, I'm about to go and make myself some breakfast after I finish this thumbnail. So after that, I'll show you guys what I'm having for breakfast this morning. Hey guys, so it's now 4:11 in the afternoon. This day has kind of just gotten away from me. So after I spoke to you, I think I said I was going to show you my breakfast. I just ended up having 2 eggs, so it wasn't really that special, so I didn't show you guys that. But then I've just worked on assignments all day, and I've just gotten back from work now. I'm just about to get ready to go out to dinner. So I'm going to quickly get ready and show you guys what I'm wearing. Okay, so the guy across the road is whippersnipping, so I'm hoping you guys can hear me. But tonight I really wanted to just be comfy, so I'm just wearing these culottes from Zara and this really baggy sweater from Sports Girl, and then these shoes from Glassons. So that's what I'm wearing to dinner tonight, and I'm going to leave right now. Hey guys, good morning. Whoops, my mom's calling. Give me a sec. Alrighty, let's try that one again. Am I like really white? Good morning, guys. It is currently Wednesday. It's 8:53. I'm looking like a literal grandpa. This is actually my this is my dad's jumper. I stole it on the weekend from his house. Yeah, so I'm actually cooking breakfast at the moment, and I'm just literally sitting in front of the computer all day and doing assignments because I have an assignment due tomorrow. So I want to smash that out, hopefully get it done before work this afternoon. If not, I'll have to come home from work and keep working on that. But I just thought I would update you guys on where I'm at. So nothing exciting happening today at all. But yeah, that's about it from me. Last night, I think I showed you guys I went out to dinner. I always do this. I'm like leaving dinner, I'm like, crap, I forgot to like film dinner. But yeah, I'm sorry about that, guys. And then yeah, after dinner I just stayed over at my boyfriend's house, and then I came home this morning to take my brother to school, and now I'm sitting down to do my assignment. So I'm procrastinating right now, so I'm gonna put the camera down and get started, and I might update you guys soon on how I'm going. But yeah, that's my boring life today. Hey guys, happy Friday. I haven't checked in with you in a few days, I don't think. also excuse the pimple on my face and my lack of makeup, but it's Friday, it's like 2 o'clock. I've just finished work for the day. I've been working so much this week. Like yesterday I did 10 hours, today I did 8 or 9 hours. So yeah, I've been working heaps. Also, like I said, I had heaps of assignments to do, so I've been doing that. And this weekend I'm just looking after my brothers, so thought I'd just update you guys. I'm not going to end the vlog here. I'm going to actually show you a little bit into my weekend. I have to go pick my brothers up from school, so I'll bring you guys along with me maybe, and yeah, I'll kind of show you what we get up to this weekend. So yeah, I just thought I would touch base with you guys and just, yeah, let you know what's been happening in my crazy life. But yeah, I've got to stop talking because I'm actually probably going to be running late to get them, so I'm going to go skedaddle now. So just while I'm at my mum's house for the weekend, I thought I would give you guys a little tour because it is so cool, this house. So let's start. So basically this room is like a little lounge area. We have the TV and like potbelly, and my mum's styling is literally just like the coolest thing ever. And then this comes onto their kitchen, and yeah, this is just the kitchen. Mum's got all her alcohol. It's so cool. This is like what I want in my house. The oven, pantry in here. I'll show you guys through the dining room. So this is the dining room. We have a massive dining table, and then we kind of have like a loft area up there, so it looks really cool. And I'll show you guys the lounge room also. Excuse the golf clubs, but this is the lounge room. Again, my mum's just like the most amazing house stylist in the world, and she's absolute goals. But yeah, that's just like a little overview on my mum's house. Can you pause your video? Papa. We're gonna talk to the vlog now. Are you ready? Hey guys, say hey guys. Hey guys.
Dance in the predators in the potatoes of the potatoes. I'm them all. Not the
Can you pause it? Because I'm going to tell them something, okay? Okay. Oh, this is really bad lighting. Oh, that's even worse lighting. Okay. Hey guys, so I've gotten back from picking up my brothers from school. You've just met one of them. This is William. Now, William is my special little guy. Yeah. William's my special little guy. He's actually got brain damage. So, he's our little special guy. So how old are you, Will?
10.
He's 10. So it if it like looks like obviously he can't talk properly, or he's not really behaving the way a 10-year-old, it's basically because of, can you pause that for a second?
Okay.
Good boy. It's basically of his brain, so he will never really progress further than a certain point. So I haven't really told you guys that before. I just thought I would tell you guys because I am spending the weekend with him, and it obviously does impact my life, my family's life a lot. I actually want to do a full video on it, just to like kind of educate people, because obviously he does look normal, but you know, people always look at us in the shops wherever we're out because he's acting strange, but he looks normal. So I would really love to educate more people about it, because he's just the most gorgeous little kid, as you can see, just full of life. So yeah, I don't know, this is just kind of a side note for my vlog, but I thought I'd just let you guys know because obviously he's a massive part of my life, and yeah, I'm gonna be spending the weekend with him. I love you. clearly doesn't love me.
I have a commercial. I have a commercial.
Can you say, hey guys, it's Saturday.
Hi guys.
You gotta do it to the camera.
Hi guys, with Marshall.
Do you want to do it, Zach? Okay. So apparently no one knows how to start a vlog around here.
We're not here today. Yeah.
So guys, it's Saturday afternoon now. What have we done today, Will? We've gone and got some lunch. We went to the park.
Dabs.
We went for a drive to the shops. We've done a lot of stuff, haven't we?
Yep.
We've had a good weekend. Zach's been doing some dabbing.
Dab,
This
dab.
is Zach, my other brother.
Dabby, 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 dabby.
But yeah, I just thought I would update you guys on what we've been doing today.
Goodbye, sister.
Okay, goodbye.
Emma.
Come give Britt a hug.
Emma.
Oh, my boy. My boy. My boy. My boy.
With Marshall. With Marshall. With Marshall.
My boyfriend Mitchell is going to be coming over, and William can't wait for him to get here.
In the evening?
He's coming in the evening.
So, right now?
Yeah, right now, on his way.
In way?
Should we say, bye vlog, I will talk to you tomorrow.
I got tomorrow.
Oh, good talking. Can you give them a wave? Bye. See you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
See ya. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday, and we are going to end this vlog here because we're going to have a nice relaxing day, aren't we, Will? We're going to have a nice relaxing day today and just do some stuff at home, so I thought I would end the vlog here. If you guys like this, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've been vlogging every week, so I've been having weekly vlogs, plus I'm going to get back to normal videos real soon. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.